So guys, today I'm very excited for this video because it is a comparison video and it is related to stationery. So hope you will like this video. If you will like this video, so also smash that like button, and if you have not subscribed my channel till now, so subscribe. My aim is to make a 1K YouTube family, and what you have to do is to only subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first you can see this all I have. You can see what all I have. Just a minute. Let's see this all. Actually, I have different brands and different kinds of colors like watercolors, wax crayons, pencil colors, and sketch pens also. So okay, so let's get started the comparison. So guys, before comparison, I tell you that what is my purpose to make this video. Actually, I want to say that some people think that only expensive things, in all the things, not only in colors, in everything, some people think only expensive things are good. If we have 20 rupees colors, and if here we have 200 rupees, so if we have 20 rupees color here and we have 200 rupees color here, so people which are actually very clever, they will choose 20 rupees color, because some people think that affordable things are also good. So they are obviously correct, and people which think that only expensive things are good. So today we are going to test that only. So here I have this drawing book. This is actually cute drawing book, and we are going to test every color, like a comparison in two brands and two same type of color actually. So let's get started. And the first round of comparison, I will compare this and this. So this is actually, you can see this. This is Dome's 12 watercolor pens. Basically we say 12 sketch pens, you can say. So, and second, in this round of comparison, we are going to use this new stick color stick 12 sketch pens with extra color power. Means we want to say that these sketch pens are highly pigmented, means they are more darker. And here's written with one fruit stick fragrance sketch pen. So okay, let's test. So this is a very big doubt for me that they are actually like fruit stick or not. So which one is fruit stick? Not this. Okay, this one. This one is fruit stick actually. Here is also written. So it will smell very good, and like its ink will smell very good. I'm gonna smell it from here. Really, it is very good, y'all. I love this. I love this. And I am going to test this light blue color only, because this smells actually very good. And I don't know how they are actually, because I have not used them before this video. And the second, as I have said, Dome's 12 watercolor pens, in sketch pens, and actually I have used them many times and I actually love them. The advantage in this stick color is that it has fragrance in one sketch pen, and it does not, this Dome's one does not have any fragrance. So I'm going to take out light blue color, as I have taken light blue color of this also. I love mini things, you know, मेरे को mini things बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, but just छोटी cute सी. So this is the size of Dome's sketch pen, as you can see, and this is the size of fruit stick sketch pen. So we are going to test. So I'll keep them here, and I will open this drawing book. open. And in this page I'm going to test. Okay, I have this and I have this. So first I'm going to test this fruit stick one. So I'll draw something and I'll color it with the sketch pen and then I'll show you. Okay. Okay. You. So I've made like a hairband bunny hairband. I know it is not looking very good, but okay, मेरे को जल्दी कुछ बनाना तो मैंने बना दिया. And same goes with this Dome's sketch pen. Because I love drawing and I have very much colors today, because that's why I was very excited for this video. Okay, this and okay. So actually, I'll show you the result. 1 minute. So this is the result. In the first round, the comparison was in stick versus domes. So I will suggest you guys, you can buy both of them. Like both of them are very good, because color stick was like it has an advantage that one of the sketch pen is, it will smell good, and the dome's sketch pen advantage is it is bright in color and the stick ones is like a little bit dull. So in this round of comparison, domes is the winner. Okay, so in second I'm going to test. Okay, actually इसमें ऐसा कुछ different निकलेगा नहीं, but I want to see कि एक ही brand के same brand two watercolors. One is of 20 rupees and one is of 10 rupees. Same brand, same packaging, everything same, only this 20 only the price is different and the like shades quantity is different, because it has 12 shades and it has 6 shades. It is of 10 rupees, it is of 20 rupees. I don't think that there will be some difference, so I'll test them here only, and I'll write here round 2 with this sketch pen. Ouch. Okay, so this is our second round. So first we are going to test this one. I'm okay. Oh, okay, I'll pick up that brush. So we get these 12 shades in the 20 rupees pack, these 12 shades, and in 10 rupees pack both have brushes actually, and in 10 rupees pack you will get these shades, and in 20 rupees pack you will get these shades. 20 rupees pack advantage is this, you will get 12 shades, and including this golden and silver color or grey color you can say. And in 10 rupees pack, here are this white, it is not yellow actually, it is like mustard color, dark green, deep blue, deep black, no, not deep black, simple black, and this deep red. So I'm going to test dark green color. So here I have this brush. In both of the packets we get brush, but my one brush is fall down, so I'm going to use this brush. See this लाइक ऐसा लग रहा है गिर जाएगा, बट ओके वी गोना ट्राई। थोड़ा सा ही लूँगी, दैट्स व्हाई आई डोंट नीड वॉट। ओ माय गॉड, इट्स फॉलिंग, आई नीड अ क्लॉथ, Okay, my mom is giving. Ouch. Okay, I got it. तो वन डिसएडवांटेज यहीं पे हमारी हो गई कि ये खैर ये हो सकता है मेरी ही गलती हो कि मैंने उनको अच्छे से रखा नहीं। Okay, I'll keep this cloth here, and in the part of this second round I'll put this. This is of 10 rupees pack. And in the second round, I'm going to use a different shade of 20 rupees pack. Pink, my favorite, which is not in 10 rupees pack. Okay, I need to wash this brush because I need to wash it. Okay, I need water because I want to wash this brush. Mama, I need water. So finally I found this brush of 20 rupees pack. Actually these both brushes color are actually different. I'm telling you small differences also. So we're going to test this pink color. I know that there will be no difference actually in this comparison, but I want to show you, so that's why I'm doing it. Wow, lovely color actually. So no differences as usual, no differences. Okay, so in the third comparison I'm going to write. So I need another paint. I'm going to use this paint for our third round. So in third round we are going to compare this Creations 10 rupees wax crayons and this Domes 10 rupees wax crayons. As I have used these, as you can see, I've used this, but that's okay. I'm going to show you guys that is there any difference or not. So first we are going to use this Creations Wow wax crayons 12 shades, which cost 10 rupees, and in this round no one is like affordable because both of the color set pack is same. But let's see, Creations is like not too much popular, but Domes is actually very popular. So I'm going to test light blue color. This is of Creations, and now we are going to unbox this wax crayons of Domes, and it also costs 10 rupees and 12 shades and light blue color. So I have this light blue color here. As usual, Domes is more good. You can see मैंने उतनी ही पावर लगा के दोनों को ही कलर, दोनों सर्कल्स कलर किए हैं, and as you can see the result, ये वाला ज़्यादा dark है and it is of Domes. If you want to color something in light shade, so you can use Creations, and if you want a dark shade, so you can use Domes. Both are very good, and I am showing you. As I've said, I have used this, but these are very good actually. See this? These are of Domes, and and these are of Creations. This you can see. And in our round 4, we are going to compare Okay, this, not this actually, this and this. These are plastic crayons of Camel Junior actually, and the junior means they are small in size, and these are Polo wax crayons, 24 colors, and this costs 20 rupees, and this also costs 20 rupees, and this Polo 24 color wax crayons, 24 colors as you have listened. These are also of 20 rupees actually, and this Camel box or packaging, you can say, this is also of 20 rupees, and also they are same in size, both are same in size, but it has half color of this Polo ones. Why? You will think why. They both are of same range, but this has more quantity of colors and this has half quantity actually. So the thing is that Camel is more popular than this Polo ones. Polo is actually a small company, so let's see. And I know Camel will be good, but I want to test that in affordable and in expensive. No, but in this comparison, no one is affordable and no brand is like expensive, because both of the brand price is same. And this is of Polar, this dark green color, using this. Now we have this plastic crayons Junior of Camel, 12 shades. How cute they are. As I have said, I love small things, and how cute they are. See, they're very cute. See this? They are small in size and they are very, very cute. And when I smell them, so in pre-nursery we are only like allowed to use these types of colors. So जब भी मैं इसको like smell करती हूँ तो मुझे pre-nursery की याद आती है. So now I'm going to take out dark blue color. Where is that? Okay. Sorry, dark green color. I forgot. Cute dark green color is here. And मुझे cute वगैरह से इस कंपैरिजन में कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. मेरे को शेड से फ़र्क पड़ता है एंड प्राइस से फ़र्क पड़ता है. तो हमको क्वांटिटी से तो पता ही चल गया कि पोलो वाले इन क्वांटिटी पोलो वाले ज़्यादा अच्छे हैं. एंड इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द शेड, सो दिस वन इज़ मोर लाइटर. सो इफ एज आई हैव सेड इन द around third of comparison also, that if you need to shade something with color in light, so you can use that Polar 24 wax crayons. Or if you want some affordable thing and in a good quantity, so you can use that Polar 24 colors. And if you want something cute and in less quantity, so you can use this plastic crayons Junior of Camel. So in this round no brand wins, because कि हर दोनों में ही कुछ ना कुछ एडवांटेज है, तो इसमें वैसे कोई भी विनर नहीं है. So in the next round we are going to compare. Actually this is of Polo 24 wax crayons and these brushes. Actually इससे कोई मतलब रिलेटेड नहीं है कि ये वैक्स क्राउन्स और ये ब्रशेस हैं, बट वी आर गोइंग टू कंपेयर. सो इट्स फुल नेम इज पोलो वेजी, फनी नेम, एंड इट कॉस्ट 50 rupees. 50 rupees. Actually it has also 24 crayon colors and it is of Polo, and this also has 24 colors. So I love this packaging, and the color size is also like a very good big size actually. And I'm gonna test this dark green color again, because this is a dark color. And I will open these brushes and I'll tell you, like I will take out them from the packet. First I'll You can see this. Actually इसमें कुछ डिफरेंस निकलेगा नहीं, इसलिए मैं इसको ड्राइंग बुक में नहीं चला रही हूँ, बिकॉज कुछ भी डिफरेंट नहीं होगा, क्योंकि पोलो ये भी पोलो का ही था एंड इसमें भी जो रिजल्ट आया सेम ही रिजल्ट होगा, बट फिर भी मैं पिछले राउंड के पोलो वाले से और इस राउंड के पोलो वाले से कंपेयर कर लूँगी, नहीं तो गाइस बहुत बोरिंग वीडियो हो जाएगा, इसलिए चलिए कर लेती हूँ। सो ये पिछले राउंड के पोलो वाले एंड ये इस राउंड के पोलो वाले, एक्चुअली बोथ आर सेम एंड नाउ आई एम गोइंग to tell you in detail about these brushes separately, not in any comparison, separately. And one more thing which I'm going to tell in separately, but after these brushes. So these are actually art brushes, like when we paint, when we do anything with watercolors, these watercolors, so we need these kind of brushes. So if in big page we are going to color the whole page to make a base for our watercolor drawing, so we can use this. Okay, I'll take out from these packets. I will take out one and I'll show you. Like, I'm going to take out this small one. Wow, it is actually very light weighted and this is very good. And this pack of 6 brushes, including this one, 6 brushes cost 200 rupees, right mama? Yes, right. Okay. And the number of these brushes are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like 2 की table लग रही है. And so this small brush, you can see. Okay, so the next thing what I am going to tell you in separate is this eco color pencils, क्योंकि इसके लिए कोई comparison actually रह नहीं गया, मैंने सारे compare कर लिए, तो मैं इसको ऐसे separately जल्दी से बता देती हूँ आप लोगों को. जिसमें लिखा है कि ये non toxic हैं and ये creations के हैं and ये 10 shades हैं and ये 15 rupees के हैं. इतना ही लिखा है. तो अभी मैं एक बार इनको कॉपी में यूज करके देखती हूँ. So I've taken out this orange color. I use this here. As usual, they are also light because I don't like pencil colors at all from pre-nursery class, because okay, so as you can see this, because as I have said, pencil colors are very light. So guys, if you like this video, I have said this in the starting of this video also, like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.